Good afternoon, companions and tutor. Activity 2 speaking. Profile. Everyone, my name is Giovanni Morales. I am 25 years old. I was born in the Manzanares Caldas. I am a student in the agronomy program and UNAT. I work in the program social called United. I like to play soccer, watch movies, run, and swim. I like with. My parents farm a Manzanares Caldas. I am single. I have main expectation and eager learn in the course. Stay 1. The vacations in Bucaramanga. On vacation, I went to student when a friend stayed at my friend's mother's my stuffed turkey. One of Mary Faye foods we also did some nice walks around Bucaramanga. Got a bit sunburned and the pool, but otherwise enjoy the cool weather and the sunny and now and the shoot. Use a sunscreen and had on one hand the food is very delicious and the landscape beautiful. Stay 2. The climate in the city of Bucaramanga is very sunny and dry in the highest parts in the city. In this world, temperature is 27. In the rainy seasons, it is cool and sunny, very ideal for walking or rowing and do outdoor activities. Usually, the rains are at night where there are great storms and the gales. Your recommendations. It is recommendation that people use a sunscreen when leaving their jobs. It is necessary wear a cap or hat to protect of sun and avoid sunstroke. It is a good idea for people carry water to be always hydrated. It is important that wear comfortable clothing. Stay 3. What people should do. People should go to Panachi, Bucaramanga and enjoy nature. People should go to the Chicamocha Canyon and enjoy extreme sport. People should try the delicious culonas ends. People should visit the part of the San Pio. Enjoy the nature travel that are on the outskirts of Bucaramanga. Visit the different museums that are in the city. The most recommendation the house Simón Bolívar. Enjoy the activities of the House Cultural Piedra del Sol, where you can enjoy dance and art. People should go to theater Corfesco, where there live theater and film performance. What people should not do. People should not litter their parks. There is a lot of culture. People should avoid by the recommendation of the diets on the walks. People should not go to the neighbor gates, Maria Paz and San Cristobal for danger to be stolen. Thank you.